Scania is a world-leading supplier of sustainable transport solutions. Every day, roughly 25,000 customers visits any of our 1,600 service points located globally. And that, combined with 600,000 connected vehicles, is of course a great combination for digital service development.
We want customers to focus on their business, having predictive maintenance, using the data to predict when there is a need of repair and maintenance, to bring them smoothly into our operation, minimizing the downtime in the workshop. We started Digital Dealer Program to improve the value of the data, and this was all enabled by data-driven behaviors, proactive behavior of our retail operations towards customers.
When it comes to digitalization, two parts are the most important one for Scania. It's on the one hand to make the internal processes more efficient and more smooth, and on the other hand to explore new business value. And to do that, we really need to take an ecosystem overarching approach and use the data we have at hand in order to explore further value.
We started up by redesigning the journey of the service advisor, who is the person working at the workshop, proactively connecting to the needs of the customer. We wanted to create an ecosystem which connects to other service employees as well. We kept three principles in mind. Number one was we will take steps using MVP, minimum viable product thinking. Number two, we don't want to assume, we need to be close to the customer, to the real situation, using design thinking principle. And the third one was the architecture. The architecture we think about is scalable and can facilitate the hybrid approach and thinking. Great partnership is all about collaborating and understanding the customer needs. And that's where Advania have played a great role. We want to accelerate much faster, and in order to do that, just scaling up the team is not enough. And here Advania played a big role in bridging up the technology stack, bringing the ServiceNow competence and enabling the existing platform that we were building to support the ecosystem of the service delivery.
Customers' expectations on Scania are increasing day by day. And hence it's super important that we work very closely together with the customers to explore the right business challenges and deliver the right solutions to them.
Digital transformation is neither a program nor a project. It's a journey. It's the new way of operating business.